Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today, guys, I am in Porous, Manchester, guys. Yeah, man, a place that I'm calling Porous. Yeah, man, so I'm giving a tour from Porous. Go to Mandeville, guys. Because you know the highway in Manchester have a little bit of changes and stuff, so a lot of people traveling at night coming from the airport Kingston, sometimes they have to look out on the eyes, and sometimes I look for the sign them, because a lot of changes are taking place because of the highway. So it's gonna be a one-way up. Winston think it's gonna be up the Melrose Hill. So guys, enjoy the tour of Fire Reid. I want to say thank you for stopping by again. So as you can know, my location is in Porous. So I will take you all up to the area where the highway is building. So this is also an update. Yeah, man, I love update my people them from all over the world. So big up on yourself when I watch from yard or abroad, and big up on yourself. At the meantime, you can go and browse through the small village Porous. Yeah, man. Because we know when we come from airport, if we're going to Mandeville side, St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, if we're coming from Kingston side, we don't know, so we have to drive through them places, yeah. Porous. Yeah, man, so one love and one heart. So guys, it's free of cost. Yeah, man, so you can like up the video, share the video, and also subscribe if you learned something about our beautiful island Jamaica, mostly in the Porous area, Manchester, guys. Yeah, man, telling us that Jamaica sweet, no matter what the situation is. Jamaica is still a nice island, guys. Yeah, that's gonna be straightforward. I know they're gonna say a lot of crime and violence, but still love Jamaica same way. Yeah, man, just some positive vibes on the channel, yeah. Be a positive vibes. I know a lot of people would say it's being negative or show up Jamaica like that, but it's just a positive side of Jamaica, you know. Just showing how to get around the beautiful areas. Because what if you come to Jamaica one day, guys, and sometimes you kind of miss your turn, and you remember, so you watch Fire Reid video and you can tell us exactly where to turn. Because you know, in Jamaica, we don't really want to end up in some places where you don't know like that, guys. So know the area. That's a plus for you guys. This is the right channel you're on. Your tour guide, Fire Reid. Tour country and also town. Because a lot of people kind of forget the rural areas, you know. Yeah, man, them forget the rural areas. They don't remember about it. They only want to show the pretty, like the town side of Jamaica. What about the countryside? Yeah, man, we have to big up the countryside of Jamaica to see way. We can't make it look like, say, I just town alone. Yeah, man, if I don't know, Fire Reid a country boy same way. That's why I love the countryside. So now I give up no place in my country, because when you're in the countryside, you get a lot of different types of things. Fruits, yeah, man, going to the banana walk, breadfruit tree, ackee tree. Yeah, man, just them vibes upon the country, my people. Yeah, man. So remember, me taking up on the highway side, just giving an update from Porous. Yeah, man, because we always know, so we have to travel through the small village here and reach up on the highway up in Melrose Hill at the Yam Park. Yeah, man, when you really don't want to get confused in that area. So we just want to make you have an idea what it is like. Yeah, man. As we say, subscribe, my people. Just the vibes in Jamaica, you know. So today is not a busy day in Porous, guys. Having a nice weather today in Porous. Very, very nice weather. Very sunny. As the forecast, the weather say we will get some rain today in Manchester about in the 3 o'clock, but sometimes it's not that way. Sometimes rain can come early, sometimes rain can come late. But we still focus on the weatherman same way, you know. So I'm very close to the Porous police station, guys, which would be on your left. Yeah man, Porous police station. Also electoral office, very close in this area. And also your juicy beef patty. Yeah, we all know so we love a juicy beef patty. We know so we now go past the Clarendon Park area coming Porous, but sometimes we reach one area and realize so you want to get two patties same way. So you can stop in the Porous area, guys, and get your patty. You have your beef patty, also your shrimp patty, callaloo loaf, vegetable loaf, soy patty, your cheese patty. Any patty you want, you can stop in a Porous at the juicy beef area, guys. Yeah man. So guys, you all can indicate where you're watching from. Yeah man, so in the next video I can give you a shout out. Don't know who will be the lucky one, but never can tell. Yeah man, for guys, if it wasn't for you, this channel would not be growing organic. Sorry guys, this channel would not be growing. It's growing very organic, guys. Yeah man, we have some loyal subscribers, some loyal fans out there. No matter which video Fire Reid post, them always watching from all over the world. Yeah man, so big up on yourself again. And always remember, when you're going out and coming in, always put the Father first. Because some of the times we leave our family members, we don't know when we're gonna get back in, if we're gonna get back in. And sometimes we leave out, don't remember to pray. But on your journey, guys, you can stop for a minute or two and say something to the Lord. Even when driving, you can talk to the Lord same way. No matter how weird you talk to him, he will still hear you and also still answer. So always put the Lord first in whatever you do. I pull off Fire Road still, guys, because I saw a big unit come, big unit. But if I pull off of the road, yeah man, for them not really take no check some of the time when they see a drive slow, you know. You just come down by your full speed same way. Yeah man, some of the times you just have to be careful on the road. Very careful, guys. Yeah man, I just have to pull off of the road because I want to see what I go on in the beautiful parish of Manchester. So the big unit them drive still not, so you can't really watch them. We just have a pre mirror some of the time. Look into our rear view mirror and look what go on behind us, because that's an easy road. So you know, guys, if you're coming from the Mandeville direction at the Williamsfield roundabout, you know you're gonna make the left turn and take it to Williamsfield. You're gonna come down the one way. Yeah man, them kind of fix the road but it kind of damage again. So you're gonna take the Williamsfield area, guys, to come down to the Porous side. I think they would have said that is the old Melrose Bypass road. So coming from the Mandeville direction in the Williamsfield area, guys, you have to take that road because of the highway that they are building. Okay, coming up you will see this right turn. If you're coming from Mandeville, this is a right turn. You would come out on this road going to Porous side. So you see, if you make the right turn, we'll take you to Williamsfield, also Mile Gully. Yes, guys. Up the hill we go to Winston Jones, also straight to the Greenville roundabout. But this road is also a one-way, guys. But sometimes you have to be very careful because some people don't really looking out. Some people don't know what's going on, so sometimes them kind of break the law. Them break the law and come down on the one way, and sometimes if you don't know, you can get panic and also cause an accident. So be very careful, guys. Yeah, man, just be careful. So this is a one-way, guys. As you can see the sign, slow. Always obey the road code. See a lot of work them a perform up on the hills there. Yeah, man, them a grade down the place. I know it's gonna be a beautiful, 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 beautiful area, guys. Yeah, man, so I don't know if you don't see any land for sale very close to this area, guys, you can try to get it from now. Because you know we're gonna have a lot of, it's gonna be very expensive, guy. Very, very expensive. Yeah, man, the road is so pretty, guys. Yeah, man, so they can have an idea and see what's going on. A lot of work them are put in. So the government has spent some money on the highway, yeah. So it's gonna be better for us, you know, going to Kingston and less traffic in the poorest area, guys. It's gonna be less traffic for us. So yeah, man, so easy to get to the Kingston airport, guys. You know, sometimes a lot of people kind of late for catch them flight because of the bad road in a porous, too much traffic in some areas. So the speed limit in this area is 50 kilometers, guys. Yeah, man, 50 kilo. Yeah, man, always remember to obey the speed limits. On your left, yeah, man, you have the old road on your left side over there. That's what we used to drive on, but a lot of changes that take place, guys. A lot of changes. So guys, tell me what you think about this video. If you like this video, you just can give it a big thumbs up. Yeah, man, just like up the video because that is what YouTube wanna see. If you like up the video, so it can be recommended to a lot of people on the platform. Yeah, because a lot of people over the world want to get updated on their beautiful country, you know, Jamaica. As you can see the sign, construction ahead, and also look out for the flagman them. Yeah, man, caution. All must have caution, but some people don't really care about that. Always like speeding in this area, guys. So you still can stop and get on the saltfish and yam, roasted yam. Yeah man, you still can stop and get it, you know. But remember, this is a one-way, guys. Yeah man, so don't turn and go back down. This is a one-way. So on your right, that is where you have the yam park. You can get your saltfish, roast yam. Yeah man. Yeah man, so the work is going on, guys. $50 kilometers. Yeah man, so be careful how you drive on the road here. No speeding, guys. So we're gonna have a little bit of bumpy ride. So enjoy it with your tour guide Fire Reid. Very, very bumpy ride. Yeah man, them road feel deep. So guys, now I am at the Williamsfield roundabout. Yeah man, so now if you look out on the eyes, be very careful. If you make the left turn, guys, will take you all to Royal Flat area, guys. So guys, we are now on Winston Jones Highway, guys. So thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Your tour guide. One love, one heart, my people.